Bears are fascinating creatures. They belong to the family Ursidae. 8 different species of bears exist in the world. These include American black bears and Asiatic black bears. Brown bears, including grizzly bears, are another type. Giant pandas are also part of the bear family. The impressive polar bear roams the Arctic. Sloth bears live in Asia. Spectacled bears come from South America. Finally, sun bears inhabit Southeast Asia. Bears are found in many parts of the world. They are important members of their ecosystems. We will explore the world of bears in this documentary, learn about their lives and the challenges they face. Bears come in different sizes. The sun bear is the smallest bear species. It weighs less than 50 kilograms. That's about the size of a large dog. The Kodiak bear is much larger. This type of brown bear lives in Alaska. Kodiak bears can weigh up to 720 kilograms. That's heavier than a small car. Polar bears are also very large. They can reach similar sizes to Kodiak bears. The size of a bear depends on its species and its environment. Larger bears tend to live in colder climates. They need more body fat to stay warm. Most bears are omnivores. This means they eat both plants and animals. Their diet changes with the seasons. In spring and summer they enjoy fresh berries, fruits and grasses. They also search for insects and honey. Some bears, like the grizzly bear, are skilled fishers. They use their claws to catch salmon from rivers. Polar bears are an exception. They live in the Arctic, where plants are scarce. Polar bears are carnivores. They primarily eat seals. They hunt seals on the ice. Giant pandas have a very specialized diet. They mostly eat bamboo. Their strong jaws and teeth help them crush the tough bamboo stalks. Bears live in a variety of habitats, each uniquely suited to their needs and behaviors. From the icy expanses of the Arctic to the dense forests of North America, these magnificent creatures have adapted to thrive in diverse environments. They are found in North America, South America, Europe and Asia. Each continent offers a different set of challenges and resources, shaping the way bears live and interact with their surroundings. Polar bears are the only bears that live in the Arctic. These bears are specially adapted to the cold, with thick fur and a layer of fat to insulate them against the freezing temperatures. They rely on sea ice for hunting and survival. The ice serves as a platform from which they hunt seals, their primary food source. As the ice melts due to climate change, their survival becomes increasingly threatened. Spectacled bears are unique because they are the only bears that live south of the equator. These bears are named for the distinctive markings around their eyes which resemble spectacles. They make their homes in the Andes Mountains of South America. The rugged terrain and dense vegetation provide ample opportunities for foraging and shelter. Forests are important habitats for many bear species. These environments offer a rich supply of food, including berries, nuts and small animals. They provide shelter, food and water. The dense canopy and underbrush offer protection from predators and harsh weather conditions. American black bears prefer forested areas. These adaptable bears can be found in a variety of forest types, from temperate rainforests to dry woodlands. Brown bears can live in forests, mountains and even grasslands. Their ability to adapt to different environments makes them one of the most widespread bear species. Bears need access to water for drinking and cooling off. Water sources are crucial for their survival, especially during the hot summer months. They're often found near rivers, lakes and streams. These water bodies not only provide hydration, but also serve as excellent fishing grounds where bears can catch fish to supplement their diet. Sensory perception and communication in bears. Bears have a keen sense of smell. Their sense of smell is much better than their eyesight or hearing. They use their powerful noses to find food, detect danger, and even locate mates. Bears also communicate with each other through scent. They rub their bodies against trees and rocks to leave their scent behind. Bears make a variety of sounds to communicate. They growl when they are eating or feeling threatened. Cubs whine to get their mother's attention. Bears also use body language to communicate. They stand on their hind legs to get a better view or to appear larger. Food, glorious food hunting and foraging habits. Bears are opportunistic eaters. They will eat whatever food is available to them. Their diet changes with the seasons. In the fall, bears enter a period of hyperphagia. This means they eat large amounts of food to prepare for winter hibernation. They gain weight and store fat reserves. Bears use a variety of methods to find food. They forage for berries, fruits, nuts and roots. They also dig for insects and grubs. Some bears, like brown bears and grizzly bears, are skilled hunters. They prey on deer, elk and other large mammals. A year in the life, hibernation and reproduction. Bears are solitary animals for most of the year. They roam vast territories alone, searching for food and shelter. This solitary lifestyle helps them avoid competition and ensures they have enough resources to survive. They come together to mate in the spring or early summer. This is the only time of year when bears are seen in pairs or small groups. The mating season is brief but crucial for the continuation of the species. After mating, the female bear will give birth to cubs in the den during the winter. The den provides a safe and warm environment for the vulnerable newborns. The timing of birth is synchronized with hibernation to ensure the cubs are born when the mother is at rest. Cubs are born blind and helpless. They weigh less than a pound at birth and are entirely dependent on their mother for survival. The first few weeks of their lives are critical as they develop strength and begin to grow. They rely on their mother for warmth, nourishment and protection. The mother bear is fiercely protective and will do anything to ensure the safety of her cubs. She nurses them with rich milk that helps them grow rapidly. Bears hibernate during the winter months. Hibernation is a state of deep sleep that allows bears to conserve energy when food is scarce. This period of dormancy is essential for their survival in harsh winter conditions. They find a den in a cave, hollow log or under a fallen tree. These dens provide shelter from the cold and protection from predators. The choice of den is crucial for the bear's safety and comfort during hibernation. During hibernation, their heart rate and metabolism slow down. This physiological change allows them to survive without eating for months. Their body temperature drops slightly and they enter a state of torpor. They conserve energy and survive on their stored fat reserves. The fat accumulated during the active months sustains them through the winter. This adaptation is vital for their survival in environments where food is not available year-round. Bears emerge from their dens in the spring, ready to mate and find food. The end of hibernation marks the beginning of a new cycle of life. They are hungry and eager to replenish their energy reserves, starting the process all over again. Dangers in the wild. Threats to bear populations. Bears face a number of threats in the wild. These magnificent creatures, found in diverse habitats ranging from dense forests to icy tundras, are increasingly at risk due to human activities and environmental changes. Habitat loss is a major concern. Deforestation, driven by logging, agriculture and urban expansion, is rapidly shrinking the natural habitats of bears. This not only reduces the space they have to roam, but also depletes their food sources, making survival more challenging. As humans continue to encroach on bear habitat, bears are losing their homes and food sources. Urban development brings roads, buildings and other infrastructure into previously untouched areas, fragmenting bear populations and isolating them from each other. This can lead to conflicts with humans. Bears in search of food may wander into human settlements, leading to dangerous encounters. These conflicts often result in bears being killed or relocated, further stressing their populations. Climate change is also a threat to bears. The rising global temperatures are causing glaciers and polar ice caps to melt at an alarming rate. This is particularly devastating for polar bears who rely on sea ice for hunting and breeding. Rising temperatures are melting sea ice, which is essential for polar bear survival. Without sufficient ice, polar bears are forced to swim longer distances, which can be exhausting and sometimes fatal, especially for young cubs. Poaching is another serious threat. Despite international laws and regulations, illegal hunting of bears continues. Poachers target bears for their valuable body parts, which are sold on the black market. Bears are killed for their fur, claws and other body parts. These items are often used in fashion and as status symbols, driving the demand for illegal hunting. In some cultures, bear bile is used in traditional medicine. This practice involves the cruel extraction of bile from live bears, causing immense suffering and often leading to the death of the animal. This illegal trade threatens bear populations around the world. Wildlife enforcement agencies are working tirelessly to combat this trade, but the demand for bear parts remains high. Conservation efforts are underway to protect bears and their habitats. Organizations and researchers are working on habitat restoration, anti-poaching measures and public awareness campaigns to ensure that bears can thrive in the wild for generations to come. Our relationship with bears, past, present, and future. Humans have had a long and complex relationship with bears. In many cultures, bears are revered as powerful and spiritual animals. They are often depicted in mythology and folklore. However, bears have also been feared and persecuted by humans. They have been hunted for sport, food, and to prevent conflicts with livestock. Today, there is a growing awareness of the importance of bear conservation. Many organizations are working to protect bears and their habitats. Education and outreach programs are helping to reduce human-bear conflicts. By understanding and respecting bears, we can help ensure their survival for future generations.